Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel, and this is just a quick video because I was talking to my friends over at DOWAN, and you know I love their things. I love them. Like I have a little salt and pepper stack thing, I've got the little butter bell, and things that they've asked me to show you, which are amazing. So I just want to remind you that these would be awesome gifts for the holidays. DOWAN has really good quality, and I just love their stuff. And by the way, a lot of these things are available at Walmart now, so you can go to the app. I looked it up on the walmart.com and just type in DOWAN, DOWAN, and you'll see all the products that you can order from Walmart. I just love it. This is one of my favorites. This is the great big utensil pot. I just think this is cool. It's got cork on the bottom, so it can be used for so many other things. That would make a great gift. Another thing is this set of platters. I showed them before, but I just love them, and I think they're going to be amazing on my table for Thanksgiving. I've got these out. They're going to be part of the way I serve my Thanksgiving meal. And then, you know, I've shown you these, and I've used these a couple of times in videos. The bowls, there's actually 4 of them, and you can get them in the bright, fun colors as well. So these are really awesome. I love these. They're like a perfect pasta size bowl or a nice salad bowl for like a big meal size salad. Those are amazing. And then they have such a variety of looks. Check this out. This is really a cool look. And I use this on my counter. It's got the great wooden top with the seal around it. And I store nuts in there, my cooking nuts, so I have these available. And last but not least, you guys are going to see me make this cake. I've done a video that's going to come up after the Master Cake Mix video on Monday. This is a pantry cooking for 2. I know it's not for 2, but there's a reason. But I wanted to show you how pretty that cake looks in that beautiful DOWAN casserole dish. So, just a reminder that these are great products, great things to give as gifts for the holidays, and be sure and check it out. There's going to be some links in the description to help you find just the perfect thing. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.